What up? What up, YouTube? Man, I miss y'all, man. I've been slacking my ass off on YouTube. But here we are today. Today is Friday. Friday's usually my busiest day. Welcome to today's video. I'm here looking at a property. One of my good friends want to buy it. What he do is buy houses, live in them for a year, and then rent them. So looking at it, make sure it's a good deal for him to buy before he make a move on it. The bank said they have like foundation issues or something, but I don't know. I'm gonna take a look at it, see what I can see. I'm not an expert at it, but I give my my input. But I just made a video for IG. If y'all not following me on IG, make sure y'all do so. Real estate period entrepreneur. But what I made a video was about was right here. See that house? It has a for rent sign. This one also has a for rent sign. I don't know if y'all can see that. Let's see. There we go. Maybe I can see it now. But what I was saying basically was when you see the for rent signs, take advantage of them. As a new wholesaler, if you're wholesaling or doing the buy and hold strategy, take advantage of those for rent signs because they can go either way. That could be a hot leads because it's a tired landlord. He looking to sell his whole portfolio. Or it could go the other way for you, and that could be a great buyer for you. That could be a new landlord looking to build up his portfolio. He's been looking for houses for the last 5-6 months, and you got 3 hot contracts sitting. You can't find a buyer. There you go. Now you got a new buyer, or you got hot leads. So it can go either way. So if y'all see for rent signs, take advantage of that opportunity. That's free. And you can do that while you're driving for dollars, looking for, distressed houses. So I'm about to look at this house. Y'all stay tuned. So when you're looking at a house, me myself, the first thing I do is look at the curb appeal. It looks pretty good. You know, they got the little bushes or whatever you want. I don't know what to call that, but it looks like a solid house. It's not a bad house. So I come up on the house. Of course, look at the roof, look at the brick, look at the windows. They all look pretty good. The soffit needs a little paint, but it looks pretty solid condition. Soffit is this right here, and this the trim. The trims look pretty solid. It definitely needs a little paint job, but it's not that serious. It's great for a rental. And foundation, I look at the bottom of the brick. Usually, if you have a foundation issue in a house, it'll have cracks, like going like stairs. All right, let me show you. This is you have cracks going like this, and that's usually causing a foundation issue. So that's the type of things I look for when I'm looking at a house. So I'm gonna just walk around this house and see what I can find. All right, let's get in this house, baby. All right, first sign as soon as I walk in, this is not real tile. It's linoleum. The walls need work. Hole in the wall here. Nice size laundry room. I'll have the lights on. So right when we walk in, we enter the kitchen. House definitely need paint. Cabinets, they're pretty decent. Just need to be sanded, repainted. Not a bad house so far. Stuff like this is usually, stuff like this, cracks, that's usually showing signs of foundation issues. Like this right here. So I'll probably go on the outside and take a look. They probably have cracks in the brick showing foundation issues. Also right here, y'all can see it. The floor is creasing up, so they probably have a crack in the foundation. Again, I'm not an expert at foundation, so they might have somebody watching this video that is an expert. I am not an expert. This is just what I learned over time looking at houses. It's kind of dark in here. I don't think I can see that. But there we go. Bathroom pretty good condition. Definitely need a paint job. But overall it's not really bad. Need a toilet for sure. Room pretty solid. Not a bad size. Damn, I can't talk. Not a bad size room. Need a new door for sure. Got a hole in it. I'm guessing this is the master. This is a 3-bed. I think it's 1 bath, maybe 1.5. 3 bed, 3-bed, 1 bath. I'm thinking it's about 1,200 square feet. This is the master. Closet. This is a nice size room as well. This house don't need much work. Definitely need a fresh paint job. The floors, rent-wise, I would keep the floors. Sweep them up, clean them, keep them. Flip-wise, I would definitely take these floors out. Probably put, it flooded a lot back here. I don't know if it's a flood zone, but like if y'all can see, they got water sitting at a standstill. I think it rained last night though, out here. So, I'll probably put, Karen Crow, it floods a lot. I'll probably put tile. If not, the square regular tiles, probably put the wood laminate plank tiles, because it look good. And if it do flood or something, the floors will be all right. Just gotta dry them out. This is a solid house. Let me go check out that. Got an AC unit right here. That's definitely old. That's definitely an old unit. Look at that thermostat. Oh my God. That's super old. What's the solid house? Again, as a rental, I definitely keep these floors. Why spend money if you don't have to? So basically what's only needed in the inside is a fresh paint job. Cabinets are in good shape. Fresh paint job, clean up. That's basically it. And a toilet. Maybe an AC unit. I'm not sure. The electricity's not on, so I can't test it out. But I'm gonna try to tiptoe myself in the mud. Alright, I don't want to get all muddy. Shit, I got a long day. But we got a new segment. It's called Check My Drip. So I got the burglary glasses. Don't have a haircut. We're gonna do that tomorrow. Old polo jacket. Parker Homes and Property shirt. They're coming out probably I don't know, maybe the first of the year. Still working on the website. Blue pants, Calvin Klein, and some brown shoes. Don't know the brand, but brown shoes, they look good. So I'm gonna try to walk around the back, try to skip around these puddles, see what I can see. I'll show y'all if I can see something. Yeah, they got too much water. I'm not gonna skip around these puddles. Not today. Not today. I'm not trying to be muddy and dirty. So I'll definitely come back and check it out when it's dry. It ain't gonna happen today. Oh, there we go. Perfect example. So this house definitely has foundation issues. So right here is looking like the house is settling to the right. So it's going down in this direction. So yes, we have some foundation issues. This is what you see when a house has foundation issues. apparently at the bank and on the phone. Here we are, guys. Alright, just got to this house, just left a meeting. But this house, I think, if y'all follow me on Instagram, y'all saw this about a week ago, 2 weeks ago. Well, this lady has 2 houses. I got the lead from REI Real. She has this house and another house next to one of my other rentals. This is a great house because it's like in a lower income area. I like these areas because their rent's super quick. So I'm still in negotiations with her. I'm trying to get both houses at a good price. She's open to creative deals, owner finance, stuff like that. So I'll probably buy this on a creative structure type of deal, and we'll see how it goes. And it's a nice house. Solid house is on piers. If y'all don't know what that is, these blocks. Yeah, it's on piers. It's a 3-bedroom, 1-bath, solid house. Nice size yard. It's on a busy road. I promise you, as soon as I stick the sign for rent in the yard, I promise you the first day I'll probably get 20 calls. Guaranteed. So another things about this house, brand new roof, just replaced it, Central AC, and she just did the electrical as well inside the house. So it's all good things, all good things, all good signs. And look, they got a dog. This bitch is crazy. That's the AC, if y'all can see it. Look like a 3-ton, so it's gonna be a good deal. Good passive income. There y'all go, y'all can see views of the street, the neighborhood. Y'all see the main road. They got high traffic areas, lower income, I guess some people call it the hood. Y'all can check out the roof, brand new, it's still shining. But my grandma live on the next street. This is 12th Street, my grandma live on 13th Street, so I don't really consider the hood. It's a nice little area. But yeah, y'all stay tuned. Yeah, you can go look at it today. If I'm not available, I'm about to get in a meeting. If you send me a picture of your ID, I can give you the lockbox code to get in and check it out. Okay, just give me you text? Yeah, just, if you want to go look at it, just shoot me a picture of your ID and I'll text you the codes. Okay, thank you, ma'am. I appreciate your call. All right, bye. What's up, YouTube? Just getting to my meeting with my coach. She teach me how to public speak and stuff like that. So